This is Mong Kok, one of the most busiest place in Mong Kok, not only in Hong Kong in general, but one of the busiest place in Mong Kok. Mong Kok is already busy. Look at the crowd. You have to go quick. Look at that doggy. He doesn't want to walk. Someone is basking here. Okay, we walk now. Oh, look at the crowd. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, the 8th of Feb. I used to come here very regularly, like at least on a fortnightly basis. This is one of the longest escalators that I know. Long escalators. Wow. How long does it take? And more to go. I used to come here quite a lot. See, we have more escalators. Wow, look at that. Very long. Bling bling bling.